Assalamu alaikum. This is me Mustain Asad, and with me I've got my father Asad Yaqub, and today we are making some demo videos, and in these videos I will be asking him IELTS speaking part 1 questions. As you know that these questions are frequently asked in your real exam, and if you follow these answers to help you prepare, you can for sure get a very good band score.
Okay.
So are you ready?
I am absolutely ready.
Do you have any watch that has a great importance in your life?
Well, yes, I've got this watch, and this watch is very important. It was gifted by one of my friends, and this watch always tells me about the time. And I think this is important. And I usually wear a watch, whether it's a smart watch or this analog watch. So, of course, this watch is important to me.
Do you think wearing a watch helps you to be punctual?
Absolutely. If you don't have a watch, how can you get to know what time it is, what time it will be? Sometimes, you're anticipating something, so you want to know half hour before, 1 hour before, especially the students. So if you have a watch ahead of time, you can plan things, and this is how you can make yourself punctual. So I think watch has a great role in punctuality.
Have you ever bought an expensive watch?
Yes, I did in the past. Once I purchased a smart watch. I wanted to lose weight and feel great, and I came up with the idea of buying that small smart watch which could measure my steps, and I spent a lot of money on that watch.
Do you think watches are a good gift to be given?
Absolutely. Even today, watches are a wonderful gift. If there is any special occasion like wedding, you can give a watch as a gift. On the other hand, if there is a birthday of anybody, if there is a child, you can give a colorful watch. If there is a lady, you can again give ladies watch. And if there is a teenager, you can present them with a smart watch. So I would say even today, watches are wonderful gifts.
Alright, that's the end of your speaking part 1.
Thank you very much. Thank God.
Thank
Okay.
you.
I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. By the way, we are here at Second Cup, Nasia Gali, and we are on the terrace of Second Cup, and we are making these videos. All the best. Take care. Allah
Allah
Hafiz.
Hafiz.